What's up guys, today we're going to do unboxing of the United Workers for Electron and Electrical Industries Bluetooth speaker. So you can only get this Bluetooth speaker exclusively at the Templing Road Center if you are an NTUC member. So what basically this is, it is a Bluetooth speaker. We'll get to the features in a bit, so stick around for that. So yeah, let's get this set up. Okay, so let's open that seal. I'll take this one. Okay. Okay, so the seal is unwrapped. Let's open this box. It says here, thank you for your support, United Workers of Electrical and Electronics Industries. And here's where you can collect the Bluetooth speaker if you're an NTUC member. And the Bluetooth speaker is here. You have a box. Okay, so they included this audio jack, which is pretty helpful if you don't have Bluetooth, but I'm pretty sure every phone or electronic device should have Bluetooth. And here we have a USB to micro USB cable, and they also provide us a little carrying case, a nice feeling cloth case so that you can put your Bluetooth speaker inside, which is very nice. I also have a user manual. Also then on the back we have Chinese. And here we have the star of the show, the Bluetooth speaker itself. Well, that smell is really nice. And we see got the M button, fast forward. Actually, this is not the fast forward, this is just to skip the tracks, and this is the play pause button. And we have the rubber feet. We have the on off button, the micro USB cable, an SD card reader, a USB, full size USB, and an auxiliary port. So let's get this set up. Okay, so since that Bluetooth speaker didn't have enough charge, I bought this power bank using the cable that came with it. And then there's a red light listed on.
Bluetooth mode.
And I'll quickly go and get my tab. Okay, so I got the tab here. Okay, so it should come up here. Okay, so it's
battery, please charge.
Okay, so it's connected. We have a quick start guide on how to use our A30. What's up guys, today I'm going to do unboxing of the Galaxy A30. So the model that I have here is a 64GB Prism. Okay, so I think the Bluetooth speaker is very good according to my standards, but it came with low battery. That's because the on switch was here the entire time. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel, comment on how should I improve my video, and make sure to smack that like button. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.